Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you change the battery in your Cadillac XTS remote. First, let's gather the necessary tools for this simple task. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit to avoid losing any small parts. This entire process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot located on the side of the remote's casing. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, slowly pry the two halves of the fob apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic, and the casing should separate easily. With the fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Gently pop out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Gently press them firmly until you hear a distinct click, which confirms the fob is securely closed. Once your fob is closed, test its functionality to ensure everything is working correctly. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.